एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। और आज हम लोग एसएससी का इंग्लिश का मॉक 11 देने जा रहे हैं, तो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। यू आर नॉट अलाउड इन दिस क्लब अनलेस यू आर नॉट अ मेंबर, अनलेस यू आर अ मेंबर, तो ये गलत होगा। Symbol and symbol. Symbol means musical instrument. Symbol means representation of an object. Representation of object. Symbol means musical instrument. Symbol musical instrument. Symbol representation. बेसिकली मुझे इस वाले सिंबल का मतलब नहीं पता है, बट इसका तो यही होगा, रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट। इन सब में से सूटेबल यही है, तो मैं फर्स्ट वाले पे जा रही हूँ। एंटोनियम चाहिए सॉलिटरी का। इनडिफरेंट, लोन, ग्रेगेरियस या लोन। ग्रेगेरियस। Appropriate option. The dead sheep was covered with dash of flies. Litter, herd, swans, squadron. पता नहीं. Her explanation was so convoluted that it left everyone confused. क्या चाहिए इसमें? Idiom. Biting the bullet, turning a blind eye, stealing the show, scratching their heads. Confused का तो यही है. Scratching their heads. However silly it may seem, Vivek is better known by his characterizing occurring in place of his name, motto. Axiom, truism, epithet, epigram. Characterizing occurring in place of his name. Epithet. The branch of logic or philosophy that deals specifically with the nature of truth. Elethic, elethiometry, elethionism, elethology. यार ऐसी चीज़ों में मुझे लॉजी वाले वर्ड से ज़्यादा सही लगता है, तो बेसिकली मैं तुक्का मार रही हूँ इसमें। A small star-shaped symbol used in writing as a reference mark or to indicate an omission. Asterisk, asterism, asteroidal, asterial. Asterial. The new intern spoke about the corporate restructuring as though he was a member of the executive committee for several years. As though he was a member. As though he had been a member for several years. After months of grueling negotiations between the union representatives and the management, the atmosphere in the boardroom remained tense as both parties struggled to reach a compromise regarding the proposed changes to the employee pension scheme. Error इसमें से ढूंढना है. As both parties होगा ना, both parties struggle. इसको बाद में करेंगे. I finished my assignment 2 hours ago, she said. In direct form. She said that she finished She said that she had finished her assignment 2 hours before. She said that I finished my assignment 2 hours before. She said that she has finished her assignment 2 hours ago. She had finished her. The window had been broken by the little boy. The window was broken by little boy. A little boy broke the window. The little boy had broken the window. The little boy broke this window. This window तो नहीं आएगा. A little boy broke the window. The little boy had broken the window. तो ये भी बाद में करेंगे. Having or showing the ability to speak fluently or coherently. Hesitant, articulate, inarticulate, incoherent. तो first और last तो नहीं होगा. Articulate होगा in fact. The sons of Dr. Kaushik are always engaged in a dash for unnecessary reason. Dual. In a duel for unnecessary reason. Who will help Italy in such a miserable time of World War II? By whom Italy will be helped in such a miserable time of World War II? By whom Italy will be helped in such a miserable time? By whoever. नहीं. By who. नहीं, ये तो नहीं होंगे लास्ट के दो. By whom will by whom Italy will be helped. By whom will Italy be helped आएगा. She prepares an unique dish. Prepares a unique dish in the cooking competition and won it. Prepares a unique. Prepared and नहीं तो नहीं होगा. No substitution. Prepared a unique. Prepared a unique होगा. Antonym चाहिए spurious का. Phony, fake, genuine, counterfeit. Genuine आएगा. Incorrectly spelled word. Posthumous सही है. Extraneous सही है. Colloquial quiescent QUI सही लग रहा है ये वाला भी. इसमें मुझे स्पेलिंग एरर लग रहा है. इसमें सब में अलग अलग लेटर्स से स्टार्ट हो रहा है तो हमको बस फर्स्ट सेंटेंस ढूंढना है बेसिकली. Many Ayurveda experts also suggest waiting for at least half an hour after meal before having water. This could leave one dehydrated, but sometimes while you successfully resist the urge of having water at mealtime, you may completely forget having it for hours, and in this entire process lose 2-3 hours of the day. There is a popular perception that drinking water while eating your food or immediate after it could affect your digestion. जिसके बारे में बात हो रही है स्टार्टिंग यहीं से हो रही है डी से, तो कहीं और जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. डी से ही स्टार्ट होगा. ओके तो अब पैसेज कर लेते हैं. Identify the voice of the following. The transition is often stymied by bureaucratic inertia and a lack of private sector participation. Positive, active, reflexive, passive. Identify the part of speech. What is the meaning of the word stymied as used in the passage? Accelerated or pushed forward rapidly, prevented or hindered the progress of, evaluated based on the strict fiscal criteria, ignored by the relevant legal authorities. Passage के according to prevent ही लग रहा है. In the phrase geopolitical tremors, what is the most accurate meaning of the word tremors? Event that cause uncertainty, fear, or instability. Violent earthquake occurring in oil-rich nation. Minor fluctuation in the value of the global currency. The physical vibration of the industrial drilling rigs. Geopolitical tremors. Events that cause uncertainty. Which of the following best characterize the dual dividend mentioned in the passage? Increasing fuel prices while reducing the government subsidy burden, enhancing refining capacity while importing more crude oil from Africa, environmental protection combined with improved economic stability, private sector profit growth and increased tax revenue for the state. ये मुझे नहीं आता. तो ये वाला सारे डी से स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं, मतलब एक को छोड़ के. The art of growing old is one which the passage of the time has forced upon my attention. उसके बाद ओके यहाँ से पढ़ते हैं. This is not always easy as one's own past is gradually increasing weight. Psychologically, there are two dangers to be guarded against in old age, and one of these is absorption in the past. It does not do to live in the memories, in regrets for the good old days, or in sadness about friends who are dead. The art of growing old is one which the passage of the time has forced upon my attention. One's thought must be directed to the future and to the thing about which there is something to be done. Um, डी के बाद बी आएगा. फर्स्ट का आंसर है सी, सेकंड का ए, थर्ड का सी, फोर्थ का सी, फिफ्थ का डी, सिक्स का सी, सेवेंथ का डी, एट का ए है एस्टेरिस्क, नाइन्थ का सी, टेंथ का सी, 11th का डी, 12 बी, 13 बी, 14 ए, 15 सी, 16 बी, 17 सी, 18 का सी, 19 का बी, 20 का बी, 21 का ए, 22 का डी, 23 का सी, 24 सी, 25 का डी. सो दैट्स इट. और अपने अपने स्कोर्स आप कमेंट में ज़रूर बताइएगा. थैंक यू.